Hey family, welcome to another video here on Empress Yuda and Ras Natural Livity channel. If it's your first time on the channel, let me say welcome. If you're an oldie, you don't know how we do it over here, give thanks and let's move right into the video. So today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the herbs on my shelf here, and the herb that I'm going to be talking to you about is this one. So the scientific name for elderberry is Sambucus nigra, and that is the black elderberry, and that's the one that we use and the one that we have available here. And this is how they look in their dried state. And you're advised never to eat elderberry whilst they're fresh, as they do contain cyanide, and cyanide can be very harmful to health, and you don't want to go there. You don't want to know what it's going to do to you. You don't want to find out. So I would say don't do it. With that said, elderberry is a superfood. It's a super berry. And it has been used by many cultures for many centuries. However, we have seen that very recently, there's been a lot of studies being conducted on elderberries. And this is due to its immune boosting function. Elderberry is a natural immune booster. It's nature's gift. Nature gave us these berries, and these naturally boost your immune system. And these are the berries that I use throughout the winter months to help me and my family get over the cold spell. So elderberries are antiviral, they're antifungal, they're also anti-inflammatory. So they reduce viruses, they reduce inflammation. Elderberries are also an expectorant, so they help to pull mucus from the body. Isn't that a super herb? How magnificent! Elderberries. If you do not include elderberries in your diet, I would advise you to start, unless you're already on certain prescription drugs and you've spoken with your healthcare provider and you've been advised against it. Other than that, why not? Ways that you can use elderberries is to make teas, to make tinctures, and to make your syrups or your cordials, or to use it in various recipes. I want you to go ahead now and write in the comment section what you use your elderberry to make. Also, if you've never used elderberries before, go ahead and tell me in the comment section. I'll also provide a link to our website at ancientherbsco.com, where you may purchase your elderberries, which are herbicide-free, pesticide-free, and chemical-free. Until my next video, that's all for now. Blessed love, Empress Yuda.
And every tree in the which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed.